Hey, good morning, Math 7 students. So your next con is called Interpret Scale Factor in Scale Drawings. Ooh, another 6-word title. This one must be really hard then, right? No, it's not, guys. It's actually quite simple. So Molly made, I'm reading right here, Molly made a scale copy of the following square. She used a scale factor greater than 1. First of all, I want you to think about scale factor. Remember, scale factor is what you multiply the thing by. So, first of all, if we multiplied 20 by 1, the number would stay the same, correct? 1 times 20 is 20. It stays the same. If we multiply a number greater than 1, let's pick a number like 2. 20 times 2 is 40. That number 40 is bigger than 20. If we multiply by a number less than 1, like 20 times 1/2, what's half of 20? Oh, half of 20 is 10. Oh, 10 is smaller than 20. So when we multiply it by something greater than 1, this number gets bigger. When we multiply something less than 1, this number gets smaller. So when we say she uses a scale factor greater than 1, we are looking for answers then that are greater than 20. Well, which answers here are greater than 20? You might have guessed it, 27 and 50. Perfect. It's that easy. Okay, let's do another one. Hey, here we go. Chris made this following scale copy of a trapezoid. He uses scale factor greater than 1. Okay, what could be the length of the side that corresponds with the BC side of the scale trapezoid? So BC goes from right here. I'm going to just highlight this in a nice red letter. BC goes from here to here. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Well, let's see. I'm just going to lower that so we can see a little bit of that. What is the distance of that line? So it goes over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this distance right here is a distance of 5. So if we're using a scale factor greater than 1, we need the numbers that are greater than 5. That's correct. See, 1/5, nope. 4, nope. Oop, this one is, and this one is. There we go. That's how easy it is, guys. Good luck to you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.